Okay, so you're gonna lay down your strips of bacon with as little overlap as you can get.
Okay.
All right, and then you wanna take a block of cheese. I'm using sharp cheddar.
Sharp cheddar, okay.
Okay.
Okay, what's that?
There's like a little piece of plastic on there.
All right. Make sure your cheese is plastic free.
Lay it down right. You wanna start with this first layer of bacon. Just like that. All right. And you're gonna roll it. And while you're here, you're gonna tuck these edges.
Oh.
Kind of like a burrito method.
Okay.
All right. So you have your brick.
Okay.
You're gonna put it into an egg and into panko.
Okay.
All right. And I have a pot of oil. Drop it in.
Wow, look at it go.
All right, ready?
Here we go. Cookie. Oh, wow.
Nice.
One more time. Yeah, one more time.
Oh, I think she needs a few minutes.
Flip it over.
Flip it. All right.
I think, you know, if you balance the flip a few minutes each side, you'll get a better melt through, yeah?
You think?
This actually smells so good. Oh, all right, one more flip.
All right, the cheese is melted.
Woo! Okay.
Starting to look good.
Yeah, that looks crispy and nice.
It's gonna be amazing.
I was having my doubts.
I'm cutting up some bread to have with the dish.
Okay. Little bread action over here. It's starting to escape.
Ooh. Are you guys ready?
Here we go.
Flip it back over to this side. This is the side we're gonna serve it from. And now that the cheese is all melted, it's actually lost some of that stability, so you wanna do this fast. All right, and here she is. Looking good, right? I told you this was gonna be great. All right, got my knife.
Okay.
And I think we're gonna cut it this way.
That way? All right, straight cross section. Oh, that crunch. Ooh, did we get the ooze?
Just a little.
We're getting a little ooze,
There
look
she
at that.
is.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's actually perfect.
There we go. Are we ready?
Yes. That looks fantastic. Ooh, I bet the end piece is the crispiest.
Let me cut it up like this. And then, yeah, I'm gonna eat this end piece down here.
Look at that. A little bit of cheese.
A little bit of cheese, a little bit of crust, a little bit of bacon.